Hello, my name is Kazim, and today I'll be discussing the importance of risk management clause in contracts. This video specifically focuses on the contract between Grocery Stores Incorporation and Vegetable Greenhouse Corporation. By delving into the risk management clauses, we will understand how these elements contribute to a more secure and predictable business relationship. Let us talk about the importance of risk management clauses. Risk management clauses are integral to contract because they serve as safety nets, mitigating potential risks and liabilities that could arise during an execution of a contract. These clauses provide a comprehensive framework for resolving disputes and managing unforeseen events, thereby reducing uncertainty and financial exposure for both parties. By anticipating potential issues and defining clear solutions, risk management clauses ensure smooth operation and foster trust between the contracting parties. Effective risk management can mean the difference between a successful partners and one fraught of conflict and financial losses. Force majeure clause for Vegetable Greenhouse Corporation. One critical type of risk management clause is force majeure clause. A force majeure clause allows parties to suspend or terminate their obligation when extraordinary events beyond their control occur. This event can range from natural disasters like flood and earthquake to human-made disasters such as strike, war, or government action that impede contractual performance. The unpredictable of these events necessitates a clause that offers protection and flexibility. Why is this clause needed by Vegetable Greenhouse? Vegetable Greenhouse Corporation will greatly benefit from a force majeure clause to protect against risk like natural disaster, supply chain disruption, or pandemic that could hinder their ability to fulfill contract terms. For instance, if a severe weather event damage crops, the force majeure clause will excuse Vegetable Greenhouse Corporation from delivering the agreed quantity of produce without facing penalties. The protection is crucial for companies depending on natural conditions, as it ensures they are not unfairly penalized for circumstances beyond their control. Additionally, it provides them the flexibility to manage crises effectively without a looming threat or breach of contract claim. To illustrate, consider a scenario where a hurricane destroys a significant portion of vegetable greenhouse crops. Without a force majeure clause, they will still be contractually obligated to deliver produce to grocery stores incorporation, potentially facing penalties for non-delivery. However, with a force majeure clause, they could invoke this provision to temporarily suspend their obligations, allowing time to recover with financial penalties. This not only protects their business but also maintain a fair and reasonable relationship with Grocery Stores Incorporation, which could understand the extraordinary nature of the event. Indemnity clause for Grocery Stores Incorporation. An indemnity clause involve one party agreeing to compensate the other party for any harm, liability, or loss arising out of contract. This clause is designed to allow risks between the parties and protect the party from financial consequences of certain risks. In the context of our contract, indemnity is a crucial component for managing the risk associated with the supply of goods. Why would grocery store need an indemnity clause? Grocery stores incorporation will need an indemnity clause to protect against third-party claim or losses due to the supply's action or failure. For example, if contaminated products from Vegetable Greenhouse Corporation cause foodborne illness among customers, Grocery Stores Incorporation will be indemnified for any resulting legal claim or damages. This clause ensures that Grocery Stores Incorporation is not financially responsible for issuing originating from Vegetable Greenhouse Corporation operations, thus safeguarding their reputation and financial stability. It also incentivizes Vegetable Greenhouse Corporation to maintain high standard of quality and safeguard in their production process. Considering a situation where a batch of produce is found to be contaminated with harmful bacteria, leading to a public health issue, if Grocery Stores Incorporation faces lawsuits with affected consumers, the indemnity clause will require Vegetable Greenhouse Corporation to cover the legal cost and any settlement. This protects this protection allows Grocery Stores Incorporation to focus on resolving the crisis and maintaining customers' trust without the additional burden of financial liabilities. This clause thereby encourages a proactive approach to quality control from Vegetable Greenhouse Corporation, ensuring that such incidents are minimized. Now, let's talk about arbitration clause for both parties. An arbitration clause requires disputes to be resolved through arbitration rather than litigation. Arbitration is typically faster, less formal, and more cost effective compared to a court litigation. It involves the parties representing their case to neutral third party, known as the arbitrator, who then makes a binding decision. For example, if a disagreement arises regarding a quality of delivered produce, arbitration allows for a quick resolution compared to traditional litigation. This process can be scheduled at a convenience for both parties, and arbitrators experts in the relevant field can lead to a more informal and fair decision. This approach minimizes disruption of the business operation and maintains a collaborative atmosphere as both parties can continue their partnership with less animosity and compared to a court battle. In conclusion, risk management clauses such as force majeure indemnity and arbitration are crucial for protection and interest of both Grocery Store Incorporation and Vegetable Greenhouse Corporation, ensuring that risks are managed effectively. This clause is not only prove a roadmap for handling potential issues, but also to promote a sense of security and trust between the contracting parties. By clearly defining these responsibilities and contingencies, then clauses help both parties navigate challenges and maintain a healthy business relationship. Thank you for listening. I hope this explanation clarifies the importance of these clauses in the contract and how they contribute to a more resilient business relationship.